Imagine waking up tomorrow. Your phone buzzes. Breaking news. The US dollar has collapsed. Global markets frozen. Trade halted worldwide. Bank accounts worthless. Sounds like science fiction? Here's the shocking truth. It almost happened. Twice. Hi, I'm Afnan. Today we're uncovering the incredible story of how one nation's money became the world's currency. You'll discover why a secret meeting in 1944 changed money forever, how oil became tied to the dollar, why China and Russia want to end dollar power, what this means for your money. Here's something strange. Walk into any country. Try to buy something with dollars. They'll probably take it. Now try using Chinese yuan in New York. Or Russian rubles in London. Won't work. Why? The answer involves war, oil, and clever American planning. Part 1. Birth of dollar power. Let's go back in time. 1944. World War II is ending. Europe lies in ruins. Cities destroyed. Economies broken. But America? Different story. Its factories are running. Its cities untouched. Its economy stronger than ever. Here's where it gets interesting. Representatives from 44 countries meet in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire. They face a big problem. How do they rebuild global trade? They make a historic decision. Every country would tie their currency to the US dollar. The dollar would be tied to gold. Think about this. Overnight, the dollar becomes the world's measuring stick. Want to know what British pounds are worth? Compare them to dollars. How about German marks? Before the dollar system, trading was confusing. A German with marks meeting a Japanese with yen had to figure out, what's my money worth in your money? Dozens of currencies, this meant countless calculations. After 1944, it became simple. Everyone measured their money against dollars first. So a German businessman only needed to know one thing. My marks are worth this many dollars. This made global trade much easier. America becomes the world's banker. Part 2. The gold problem. But there's a problem. The 1960s arrive. America is spending big. Vietnam War. Space race. Social programs. Foreign countries get nervous. They start trading their dollars for gold. America's gold vault is shrinking. President Nixon makes a huge decision. No more gold standard. The dollar would float freely. Many thought this would end dollar power. They were wrong. America had a plan. Part 3. The oil masterstroke. Here comes America's genius move. The 1970s. Oil is king. The world runs on it. America makes a deal with Saudi Arabia. The terms? Simple but powerful. America offers military protection, advanced weapons, political support. Saudi Arabia agrees to sell oil only for dollars, invest in US government bonds, convince other oil nations to follow. This changes everything. Every country needs oil. Now they need dollars to buy it. The petrodollar is born. Part 4. Digital age dominance. Fast forward to today. Dollar power has gone digital. The numbers are staggering. 60% of global bank reserves? Dollars, 90% of international trade? Dollars, 80% of global loans? You guessed it. Dollars. Think about this. A French company buys goods from China. What currency do they use? Usually dollars. Russia sells oil to India. The payment? Often in dollars. Part 5. The challengers. But storm clouds are gathering. China isn't happy. Russia wants change. Here's what they're doing. China's moves. Creating digital currency, building new payment systems, making trade deals in yuan, Russia's strategy, selling oil for other currencies, stockpiling gold, building alliances with China. Then there's cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, digital challengers to traditional money. Part 6. Why this matters to you. Now you're thinking, interesting, but how does this affect me? Here's how. Dollar power keeps your interest rates low. It makes foreign goods cheaper. Your bank account is more stable. American power stays strong, but there's risk too. If the dollar loses power, prices could rise fast, interest rates might jump, American influence could shrink. Part 7. The future, what happens next? 3 possibilities. Dollar stays king, China's yuan takes over, multiple currencies share power. The truth? No one knows for sure. But change is coming. Did this video open your eyes? Don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Hit that like button right now. Share it with friends who need to understand money. Subscribe to learn more about how our world really works. Drop a comment below. Tell me, which currency do you think could replace the dollar? Thanks for watching. See you in our next deep dive into the global economy.